we are almost hitting $1,000. I'm up by about 210%, and right now take a look at that. So yeah, $1,000 per trade, and I'm about to lock in the profit. So as you can see, 265% profit. We did very well. Can you imagine making $1,000 per trade? Can you even fathom making $100 in about 30 seconds, at $200 in about 2 minutes? Yep, those are the types of trades that I've been having, all thanks to Boom.Meme. Now, the signal that I'm using to get these types of results is called the market surge signal. Do not sleep on Boom.Meme. So the only way you can have access to Boom.Meme is using my referral link in the description, because it is an invite only. Not a lot of people really know about this secret and hack, and this is one of the reasons why you, my community, my family, deserve all the knowledge right now. You need to have access to this information because your trades are definitely going to be simplified. Without further ado, let me show you a lot of my trades, and I'm going to be showing you the type of P&L that I've been able to achieve with the market surge signal. All right, so this is basically how we started our trade. This is one of the trades that I had, Jenny. On this particular trade, I only had like a little bit of money because I was backtesting my strategy. So as you can see, the P&L is only about $19. And then we progressed. This is another trade that I had. I started scaling in with a little bit more money. As you can see, my P&L is slightly bigger. I'm up $54, which is roughly around 158%. I continuously backtest and make sure that I refine my process. So in case you guys are still wondering, the most important thing about the market surge signal is your ability to do other background checks. Okay, so this is also another good trade, a different trade. I had a P&L of about $43. I was up by about 35% in this particular instance, and on this one I sort of went a little bit more aggressive due to the fact that from a technical analysis perspective, it was making sense. I bought the bottom, and as you can see, it was pretty much spot on, and 63% was equivalent to around $83. So I was using like $100 on this particular move, and I was very sure that okay, this one is definitely going to do very well because I was using the order blocks. I've talked about the order blocks on several occasions. As you can see, the trade is doing very well. This one was Xavier. I'm sure you guys have been seeing the meta as far as grok is concerned. So yeah, and another one, Valentine, was also another good trade. I entered early. I entered at 200k profit, and then it just kept on going crazy. I didn't even get my I didn't even sell because it just happened so fast. Like, this one was so fast, but I was able to get my profit, and I really wish I sort of sold earlier. But yeah, this is what usually happens when you're in the thick of things and things are happening extremely fast. So Valentine, it almost came back to my entry, so I had to close this one, and I sold too early, and I'm very pissed off about this particular trade because as soon as I sold it, I really sold it at a cheap price. You see my exit will be coming through very soon. I was like, okay, maybe if I don't get my profits, I'm going to miss out the opportunity and I'm going to be stuck. So I was just like, okay, let me just sell. So here comes the sell order. I sold, my transaction went through, and guess what happened? A few moments later, it ended up bouncing like crazy. This particular trade even went to about 4 million US dollars. So I was really pissed off about that one. My exit was pretty low. I basically just made like a little bit of money, but take a look at the crazy pump that came through. The most important thing that you guys need to understand when it comes to trading is first of all, you need to see, or rather look in the right direction. And this is one of the reasons why, this is not because this is a sponsored episode. It's not a sponsored episode. Of course, if I use if you guys use my referral link, I'm going to be able to have like a little bit of money on the back end. So the reason why market surge signal is helpful is because you do not need to watch Twitter, you do not need to belong to any super duper group. All you need to have is market surge signal and a little bit of technical analysis understanding. So this is a play that really took a lot of planning. As you can see, my buy orders are a lot. So Odyssey, as you can see, I really went aggressive on this one because I wanted to make like $1,000 like in one single trade. So Odyssey, I had to like scale in multiple times. I had to like go crazy, and later on it panned out very well. My entry, as you can see right over here, was around 62K, and it eventually pushed up. Like it really did very well, and my PNL, as you can see right over here, is about 170%, which is equivalent to 731. So yeah, that one was a very good one. So I was taking some profits like during these particular moments I was contemplating, so I sold about 50% because I wanted to like safeguard my initial investment, and the thing just kept on going up high, so I was only able to get this result due to the fact that I was in the right direction. So as you can see, my PNL is consistently pushing up, it's going back and forth, and I was aiming for like $1,000 because at this particular moment, right, I want to have like a consistent $1,000 PNL like each and every time. So this comes with patience, precision, and the most important thing that I have discovered is when it comes to like as you can see right over here, my PNL is like 1K. It's like 265% right over there. That was a very good feeling. So yeah, at this particular moment I'm just thinking, gosh, I need to take my profits, I need to secure. So boom, I secured my profit. My initial investment was out, and I was like super satisfied. I was like, finally I've got my $1,000. So like I was saying, it takes hours and hours of practice. The most important thing that you have to understand is understand what is happening from a technical analysis perspective and also from the on-chain analysis perspective. You see, market surge signal is going to be able to like spit out a lot of coins, investments that you need to look at. The other due diligence has to be done by you. Okay, so as you can see right over here, I had multiple sell orders, and I was able to like secure my profits finally. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. As simple as it seems, that is how it is. So the only favor that you can do yourself is click the link in the description. It's going to redirect you to Boom.Meme, and you're going to have access to market surge signal. Yeah, the only thing that you can do right now besides joining Boom.Meme is obviously joining our Telegram group, because we've got exclusive signals, and in the near future we are going to be trading live with you guys, and you're going to be able to witness all the miracles happening live. So the people who are going to have access to a lot of good stuff are the people who are going to be in my public Telegram group. So feel free to check out the public Telegram group link. It's going to be on the pinned comment section below, and as well as the description box below. So in case you've got any other questions, contributions, you can always email me, and you can always drop your comments and contributions in the comment section below. Talk to you a little bit later. It's been your boy Muna, aka Beyond 10x. It's time to catch in. It's time to make some money.